Okay, let's arrive in a lovely, comfortable position. Maybe just give your shoulders a roll forward and backwards just to release some tension. Anything you've been holding on to. Let's just take a nice big deep breath in through the nose and breathe slowly out through your mouth. If you haven't already, allow your eyes to drop to closing. Relaxing your face, relaxing your jaw. Sensing the peace at the end of the breath before you breathe back in. And again, another nice big deep breath. Feeling your whole body expand. And as you breathe out, allowing your neck, your shoulders, just to continue letting go. Sensing the peace at the end of the breath. And then expanding as you breathe back in again. And as you breathe out, that invitation to continue letting go of anything you're holding on to. Any tension, any tightness. Sensing the peace at the end of the breath. And continue now breathing slow and low. Very gently, in through the nose. Out through the nose or mouth. All the way down to the belly. And you'll notice that your nervous system and your mind begins to slow naturally down all by itself. Now I'd like you to use the power of your mind to imagine that you are now being transported to the most beautiful garden. It's a bright, blue, sunny day. And you can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the right temperature, and that warmth permeating all the way through your skin and deep into your body, melting any tension, any tightness that you might be feeling. And helping you to relax even deeper. And just take a good look around at the plants and trees. Maybe there are flowers. Maybe you can see birds, bees, or wildlife. But you're safe in this place. It's your place. And you might want to sit on the floor and relax on the grass, or there might be a comfortable chair, recliner waiting for you. And as you sit down and just relax and recline, just get a sense of your body right now. Like a cloud of sensations. Might be aware of some tightness, tension. That this warming sun is melting away. And you can just accept how your body feels right now. No struggle necessary. Just surrendering to what your body is experiencing right this very moment. And as you go deeper into your body, you begin to just sense your emotions, your feelings. More sensations. And just surrendering and accepting how you feel right now. Nothing to struggle with, nothing to resist or change. just being aware of how you feel right now. And then going deeper to the core of your being. And without even looking for it, you might notice the peace, the stillness. Solid foundation. That's always there. Always accessible. And just like before, when you follow your breath all the way to the very end, that peace, that stillness, it's just there. The core of your being. That's often hidden by your distracted mind. The more present, the still you become. The more you can access the truth of who you are. And you get a sense of who are you right now before a thought tells you who you are. The answer is always in the experience before your mind jumps in. Who are you right now before a thought tells you who you are? Right here, right now. There are no problems to solve. You are not a problem to solve. What's here right now when there are no problems to solve? You are strong in foundation here, right now. Truly abundant, safe, and in peace. And it's here you can lead from. It's here that you are intuitive, calm, compassionate, curious, courageous, when you're no longer being led by your mind. You can come from your core being and live life from here, the creator of your life. And I wonder what that would look like to you. Now I invite you to welcome into your mind thoughts of something that you've been struggling with. And get a sense of where in your body do you notice that struggle, that tension? What do you notice with your energy? Now become aware that next to you in the garden, you can see the part of you that's struggling. Maybe they look like a younger version of you, or someone else. I'd like you to ask them, what's their positive intention for the struggle? If there's no answer, that's okay. Everything these parts are doing are protecting you somehow. They're running old programs which formed in your past, and they believe they're protecting you somehow. Now, can you feel love and gratitude from your heart for all the hard work this part has done and been doing to protect you? Doing their best to keep you safe. Can you invite them to finally rest, to let go of all that hard work of having to protect you? Invite them to step back. Invite them to rest. Just get a sense of how that feels. Show them the core of your being. Show them that peace, stillness, calm, courageous, curious part of you that's always there. Show them you don't need protecting right now. You are safe. Let them rest. Show them that you're upgrading to living more from your core being of peace. And they can rest. And if they struggle with this, that's okay. Show them the love and compassion from your core being. But let them rest. And just enjoy the garden. Enjoy absorbing the energy from this beautiful, natural space. And thank that part for coming forward today to do the work. Can and you feel gratitude towards you for doing the work, to helping yourself upgrade and end your struggle. And know that if this part arises in the future, all you have to do is show them love, thank them, and let them rest. Give yourself a wonderful beginner smile, and then come back to your surroundings. I wonder how that was for you. I use a little bit of parts therapy or internal family systems with this as an influence, just to connect with the part of you that struggles. And if you notice this part arising in the day, you know what to do. Just connect with them. Be aware of their positive intention. Usually it's protection. And invite them to rest, because you're going to lead now from your core being. No more backseat driving from these parts desperate to protect you, because you know deep down at your core being that you are safe. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of the Mindset Change podcast. If you like deeper and longer versions of these meditations, then please head over to my Patreon channel, Another Level, and I will welcome you there. If you've not checked out my YouTube channel yet, please do. The link is in the show notes. And if you really enjoyed this meditation and what it's done for you, please leave me a review. Let me know how you've got on with this meditation. Share it with someone you think would benefit. And I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. The light of awareness in me honors the light of awareness in you. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.